Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back to our channel. So, right now, we want to make a podcast video with the title My Hometown, Why It's Special for Me. So, maybe first of all, introduce ourselves. My name is Firnas Mustafa Al Mursalin. I'm from 11th grade RPL, Idean Boarding School Malang.
And my name Aska Ahmad Gifari from 10th RPL IDN Boarding School Malang.
And my name is Ahmad Fikri Ferdiansyah from 10th grade RPL, Boarding School Malang.
So, hometown. What did you think if you hear the word hometown?
Remember about Malang, my hometown.
So cool. Uh,
Uh, it's hot right now.
hot. So if you how? What did you think if you hear a word is hometown?
I think about my grandfather and grandmother.
So hometown. You think about Malang, about your hometown. If you think hometown is your grandma and your grandpa. So if I hear something about hometown is like a village and in Ciamis.
Yeah.
Because my mother and my father bought this from Ciamis. So of course my hometown in Ciamis.
Oh,
But Ciamis the village, not the city. Because Ciamis there are the city and there is the village. Nah, if you go to your hometown, what what will you do?
uh, you first or you?
You host. Do you?
Okay. Usually, I go to my father hometown that in Batu.
Batu.
Yes. Yes. Usually, I go there if I holiday or if Idul Fitri. Uh, Usually, if I go there, uh, I stay in there. I think yeah 1 week, and then in there I I can gather with big family, like there is the grandma, there is the grandfather. Uh, that I think that is uh, the the good moment of myself. And then usually if I go if I go there, my grandfather uh, invite me to take a walk in, usually yeah, go to rivers or go to forest.
So
Yes, that uh, make make the good of uh, make the good.
activity.
Yes,
So is it cold in Batu? Like
yes.
here are a bit hot there.
uh, I think here more cool from
So
there.
and how about you?
About me. My hometown is special.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know what I want to talk about. But yeah, Malang is beautiful. The other, especially when Ramadan, Eid, together with my family, same activities. This is a special moment and a special place, my hometown. We, from what about you?
Uh, if me, what I will do if I go in my hometown?
Yes.
Usually, I go to my hometown is every year, so just on a year, and then that in Eid al-Fitr. Nah, as you know, 10 days before Eid al-Fitr, we will go from our school, and then we will, yeah, up to you, where will you go? Nah, and then my family from Surabaya, maybe minus 5 days, that will go to Ciamis. And then what I will do in Ciamis is, yeah, so many, because that very special activity, all of family gathering on one place, all of someone gathering on one place, and then doing same activity. Maybe in the 5 days before Eid Fitr, we will fasting, of course.
Yes.
And then for special days, that when you know we recite takbir,
Yes.
and we usually call it takbiran. Nah, that special because my family not just Allahu Akbar and others, but my family also talking and then eating. Maybe sometime like fire, um play fire.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes,
I don't know how to say.
Yes.
we call it what? So,
Mercon if in
yeah.
Indonesian maybe.
Yes.
Yes, no. So and then so many food. My mother cook, and then her her aduh, her sister, and
Yes.
then with all of my cousin we cook. And then the special food when in Ramadan is seblak.
Oh.
Yeah, because that the khas of Ciamis. No, not Ciamis, Sunda ini.
Oh. Yes.
Nah, and then more special is Eid. When Eid after pray,
Yes.
not just my family but all of one village who's
Yes.
pray there. Nah, we make a line, so many so long line until like Thai,
Ah, yes.
uh, until like noodle lah, you can say. And then one by one, excuse me, sorry, yeah, just ask like that until one village. But this depends, different girls and boy. So boy with all of boy, girl with all of girl. And then after ask sorry to all of someone in village, nah, we my family usually take a picture together.
Oh.
Now that every year is special picture because the theme of the family different. The theme. So if last year my family is use like the boy is
Oh.
green cloth, and then the girl using white cloth.
Okay.
Nah, if last year again my family use red clothes all of that until my grandma, my grandpa, all of big family. If last year just my family different. No, I just said because my hometown is in the village,
Yes.
so usually we take fishing,
Oh.
take fish, so many fish, and then we make a fire and then cook there.
Oh.
So that, but directly in the what we can say in the garden.
Yes. Yes.
So not bring to home, but directly in the garden, directly cook. Just use salt.
Yes. Yes.
The saucer is just salt, and then just make sambal. I don't know what kind of sambal, but very special sambal. And then that maybe if you feel just the taste without do anything with your family, that just like normal taste fish, but because that just everyone just we do it, so very special, very delicious, even like I want to do it again.
Oh,
If my family usually call it is botram.
tasty.
Nah, we make a place so long, and then all of people sitting in,
Outside.
yes, in beside, and then the food so much.
Understand?
Yes, so the food in the middle, the people in beside, and then we do it in garden.
Oh, God.
Yeah,
So fishing. Fishing.
after fishing.
You fishing.
Yeah,
Did you fishing?
not just this one.
Ah, this one.
Take
Stick.
Yeah,
is your hand.
so
This hand.
depends
Ah,
because I a bit scared with fish.
Huh?
So usually the like swimming pool, I don't know how to say, but it's
Ah,
for
yeah.
fish.
oh
Nah,
yes, I
the
know.
water throw, bring out. The water bring out
Oh,
Yes.
from one place that
oh yes.
we just take off, and then the water go. Nah, until the water just a little bit. Nah, we can directly lep 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 lep.
So it's your family like what's it? Fish pool?
Yeah.
Like it's a swimming pool, but it's for fish, right? So
Uh-uh.
it's your family's.
Uh-uh. Yes, my family, but all of boy.
Oh,
If girl just preparing the sambals
oh,
and then preparing the fire, something like that.
Oh yes, yes.
Yeah, so all of boy, even father, and then me, my grandpa, yes, my grandpa, and then my cousin, my uncle, and then my what? I am to be the uncle, I mean.
oh.
So that
Niece.
one,
Niece. Yeah, I don't know.
yeah, that one,
Yeah.
and then nah, usually the fish is different.
Ah,
Sometimes there is bawal, gurame, jair, and then sometimes there is like lobster.
lobster.
Yeah,
Oh,
so that like everyone years. Even my grandpa never put the child, but every year there is. Oh, like something magic, but we can say berkah maybe.
yes.
So that like, yeah, that all of fish there just eat every 1 year, and then never put the child. So we just take the biggest one, and then the child maybe if there is, yeah, that we just leave it, and then next year we take the biggest again. Yeah, just like that every year. Hmm.
Interesting because
Oh, hometown special. It's like what make your hometown is special. Maybe your father, your family, or just the activity.
all of it.
All of it.
All of it, right?
Yes,
You feel
yeah.
the same, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, all of it.
Hello. Oh, yes.
All people will say, yeah, all of it is the best from their hometown.
So maybe our hometown is the special. Maybe same, yeah.
Yeah.
Just like the family, the people,
The
the
moment.
activity. Yeah, the moment. So that, and then the picture.
Yeah, the picture of
Yes.
it.
Yeah. So
Or I think there is the some hometown there is the special food.
Ah, yes,
so
yes, yeah. Like your hometown, there's sebelah.
yes,
Your,
seblak
your
and
hometown. Batu. First, what is special from Batu?
I think nothing in Batu.
I just hear some what? Apple. Any
Yes,
fruits?
apple fruit. But if like big moment like
Uh,
eight,
uh,
that I think nothing.
oh,
sure.
maybe ketupat is there.
Yes,
So
of course I think if ketupat in it,
usually with ketupat, what the side of the ketupat?
if in my family, it, usually my grandmother cook curry.
Curry.
Yes,
So
but the curry, no, usually the curry that just yellow, right?
ah,
Yes.
But this, if my grandmother make the curry like uh, little red, but no spicy.
oh,
I don't know how to make that.
so they use coconut oil? Coconut milk?
Yes,
So if your family with ketupat, what the shade is? Shade this.
Actually, I don't know because I'm seldom to eat ketupat. I'm more like rice because rice is like
So,
to texture. So maybe it's a chicken like curry, like, same like pig rib. Or
awesome.
I don't know. If my family is seldom to cook something when I don't know. It's from when gathering. Maybe some spirit is gone because my grandmother has gone, and then my mother and my mother's sister is like I don't know, become lazy to cook something. Just buy something and then cook a little. But yeah, maybe it's side dish for what is curry also.
Because if in my hometown, my mother and my grandmother usually make like opor,
Oh,
and then that I don't know like a template every year will be opor. I don't know they boring or not, but every year, even I sometimes like opor again mah. Yeah, this no problem. This our culture different
yes.
others because if others usually use coconut peanut sambal. So just like pecel. Nah, like that. That in Ciamis, uh, or we can say like tofu, tofu and that peanut sambals, and then with ketupat. Nah, that if that from my father and several people, several family in Ciamis usually like that. But because my mother family they don't want to same with others, so they make opor. I don't know why, but yeah, that's maybe the culture of my mother family. They don't want to same with others. Okay, maybe that's all.
yes.
Ah, that's all from us, guys. Hopefully, you take something benefit from our podcast today. And I'm Franz Mustafa Mursalin.
I'm Askar Tifari.
And I'm Ahmad Fikri Ferdiansa.
Let's meet in others video. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.